किसी का गोल्डमैन सैक्स में हो गया, अमेज़न में हो गया। तो सब लोग अपने सक्सेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, फेलियर्स के बारे में हर कोई इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं है अभी तक। अराउंड 20% ऑफ माई क्लास इज़ 4 स्टार, 5 स्टार ऑन कोडशेफ। सो वो अब एक सेपरेटिंग फीचर नहीं रहा। यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट। उससे सीजीपी मेंटेन रहता है एंड यू गेट गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स एज़ वेल। द मेन रीज़न आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड वाज़
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
तो वेलकम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं कुशल जी, ये शायद प्रोग्राम में स्वागत है आप सभी का। तो आज की वीडियो में हमारे साथ है गरिमा, जिन्होंने रिसेंटली नैसडैक में इंटर्नशिप क्रैक करी है और जो कि ऑफ कैंपस इंटर्नशिप थी, ऑफ कैंपस अपॉर्चुनिटी थी। बहुत ही बेहतरीन उनकी जर्नी रही है, काफ़ी रिजेक्शन भी झेले। गूगल जैसी, ट्विटर जैसी कंपनी के लास्ट राउंड तक पहुँचने के बाद रिजेक्ट हुई हैं। तो बहुत सारी नई चीज़ जानने को मिलेगी। चैनल पर नहीं हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और लाइक ज़रूर कर देना वीडियो को। चलिए सेशन शुरू करते हैं। हेलो गरिमा, thanks for accepting my invite, and I guess this particular session will help a lot of students. So let's get started. First of all, please briefly introduce yourself.
So firstly, thank you Kushal for inviting me. I am Garima Singh and currently I'm a third year undergraduate from Computer Science Department from National Institute of Technology, Patna. So my core domains are Android development using native Java and web development using JavaScript technologies.
Okay. And recently, which opportunity did you crack, and was it off campus or on campus?
So recently I cracked an internship opportunity for 2 months for the coming summer in Nasdaq. It is the world's second largest stock market exchange company and it was an off-campus opportunity.
Okay, great. And how you actually got this opportunity? I mean, like, have you asked for referrals on LinkedIn, or have you applied on career page, or have you cracked this via hackathon, something like that?
So there weren't any referrals involved. So in late November, there was a hiring challenge organized on HackerEarth. So it was around 2.5 hours and it had some coding questions and MCQs. So I gave that. Apart from that, there was also a hackathon organized around the same time. So I also participated in that. So that hackathon was co-sponsored by Nasdaq. So after that, the recruiter contacted me. She really liked my resume and my internship experiences. She said that she would like to move me to the further interview rounds.
Okay.
So that is how I got selected.
जैसे तुमने बताया तुम्हारे रिज्यूमे को बहुत पसंद किया उन्होंने, तो व्हाट वाज द थिंग दैट जो तुम्हें लगता है कि स्टैंड आउट करी होगी बाकियों से?
She herself told me कि like the internships that I have done are the most standout features of my resume and अभी ऐसा टाइम हो गया है like CP everyone does it. So around 20% of my class is 4 star, 5 star on CodeChef. So वो अब एक separating feature नहीं रहा. Separating feature is what projects you have done, what internships you have like worked upon, and the other positions of responsibilities that you have accepted. So these are the standard features, and that is what separated me out.
Okay, great. So you mean to say that projects help you out a lot, right?
Yeah.
Can you walk us through the complete hiring process you had?
Yes. So the first round, as I told, was a hiring challenge on HackerEarth. It had 10 MCQs and 2 coding questions. So they were around medium to hard level. And for the further interview rounds, I had 4 interviews. 2 of them were technical, and the third one was technical and HR interview. And the fourth one was with my team manager. So he was an AVP of that team, and I got to interact with him personally. So these were the 4 rounds.
Okay, and what was the difficulty level of all those rounds? Like, was it on the tougher side or pretty easy for you?
See, the first 2 rounds, interview rounds, were on the same day. So the first one was on 3 p.m. In early December, and uske baad hi the recruiter calls me. He said that we are hiring for another team, and the second interview would it fell on the same day on 6 p.m. So the first interview was it was medium level, and it focused on a few tricky questions. So there were questions related to linked list and related to stacks, queues, graphs, trees, and there were few puzzle questions as well. So I was asked 2 puzzle questions in which I could answer only one. And apart from these, I was asked questions related to OS concepts and DBMS, computer networks, OOPS, and all those core subjects of CS that we have. And in the third interview, I was also asked some medium hard level questions. So they were based on implementation. So I would give an example. So there was one question in which the interviewer gave me a tree-based structure of the directory structure of his computer, and I was asked to calculate the most optimized method to search through a file in that directory structure. So he was impressed by my solution. So then I moved forward to the further rounds.
Okay, that's great. I mean, this particular last question sounds like a system design question actually, because it solves a real world problem and you might have given your design for that. Great. And
Yeah.
okay, specifically any system design question was asked during your complete interviews?
I don't think so any system design question was asked, because this particular question I solved it using basic trees and graphs. So he was the solution was acceptable by him, and there weren't any system design questions, and neither have I prepared for them, because my seniors told me that freshers don't get asked system design questions. So
Okay. तो लाइक
yeah.
तुमने बताया एमसीक्यूज भी थे नैस्डैक के ऑनलाइन टेस्ट में एंड हैकरथ पे टेस्ट था, तो हाउ मच सीपी वाज रिक्वायर्ड एट दैट टाइम, मतलब उसमें सीपी की जरूरत पड़ी भी या नहीं, और एमसीक्यूज के क्या मतलब लाइक किस टॉपिक पे थे एमसीक्यूज?
MCQs were related to DSA concepts only, and they were around medium to high level questions. They were related to time complexities and stack queues, or the basic data structures as well as advanced data structures. So these were the MCQs, and as far as CP is concerned, it was required only for the first round to solve the questions in the minimum time possible. For the further rounds, what matters is your problem solving skills and your aptitude and how you approach a particular problem.
Okay. Like you have done a lot of internships, so you might have a lot of projects as well, and you have done DSA and computer programming as well, as you mentioned. So what resources have you used? Please share. And what were those resources, paid or unpaid?
So I haven't used any paid resources till now. So for the first 2 years of my college, I used to practice on LeetCode, Geeks for Geeks, and InterviewBit. So these were the three resources that I used. And from this year itself, like it was my New Year resolution to be more focused on competitive. So I started focusing on CodeChef and Codeforces, and also learning side by side on Unacademy. So these were the resources I have used. And for core CS topics, I'm that person who prefers to learn by reading. So I prefer reading my class books and books related to those topics.
Okay. So like topics like DBMS or OS और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम दैट इज एंड कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स, तो क्या होता है यार, बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो कि कोर कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच से नहीं होते हैं, वो लोग को बहुत डाउट होता है कि ये सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने भी चाहिए या नहीं. सो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस, तुमसे इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे या नहीं ड्यूरिंग योर इंटरव्यूज?
ऑब्वियसली इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे, एंड ऐसा हुआ था बिफोर NASDAQ I also applied to several other internships, and the main reason I got rejected was I didn't focus on core CS topics. So they would ask me to write a SQL query or something related to computer networks, and I couldn't answer it. So I took out like a week or a 10 days time, and I went on to KnowledgeGate YouTube channel, and I watched some of the videos and the playlist. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हम CS के बच्चे हैं तो हमें कुछ स्पेशल, बिकॉज हम लोग के सेमेस्टर में भी आया था तो लाइक ऑनलाइन हो गया था तो हमने नहीं पढ़ा था उस टाइम, बिकॉज तो अलग से ही पढ़ना पड़ा था, तो कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल नहीं है, हर ब्रांच को पढ़ना है.
ओके. तो जैसे कि तुमने बताया कि लाइक काफी रिजेक्शंस भी पहले तुम्हें इस वजह से मिले, so how many companies have you applied before this NASDAQ thing?
So in my second year, I did some internships in some startups. So around August or September, I got an interview email from Google. So I went on to the last round, but I failed there because as CS core concepts I didn't know, and my CP wasn't also that good a few months back. And after that, I was also a part of Twitter developer program, through which I got an internship, like an interview opportunity at Twitter. So the same reason was that I didn't focus much on CS concepts, so failed in that. So after NASDAQ was my third internship opportunity, and I also cracked one of the on-campus internships. So like NASDAQ was the best one, so I chose that.
Okay, that is great. I mean, great. So have you asked for referrals on LinkedIn as well, like for applying off campus? Have you tried getting referrals from LinkedIn members or Is it difficult to get referrals, or what is your opinion over that?
I think it is pretty difficult if you don't know someone personally, because पहले क्या होता था, I used to message on LinkedIn. I tried getting referrals for companies like Intuit and all these companies. So, but I couldn't get because I used to message and the recruiters or the people working there wouldn't reply. So I think referrals are tough, but if you can manage those, I think it would be pretty great.
Okay. And like there are, this confusion was there in my mind as well. There are a lot of fields to choose from. Machine learning, deep learning, web development, Android development. तो तुम्हारे अकॉर्डिंग तुमने कैसे फिगर आउट किया कि यार मुझे यही करना चाहिए, और उसमें लाइक एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर होता है इसका स्कोप कितना है फ्यूचर में. ऑल्दो ये बहुत ज्यादा सिली क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज स्कोप हर चीज का है, तो तुमने कैसे चूज किया था?
See, first year में I tried my hands at Android development. So उसमें मैंने एक application बनाया था with a team of 6 and वो currently live भी है Play Store पे. It has 100+ downloads. So वो मेरे resume में था. It affected the recruiters greatly. And second project was a basic React application. And third project जो बनाया था, it was a college project. So it was a machine learning and deep learning based project. But I would say like domain उतना matter नहीं करता किस चीज़ पे बना रही हो. जो थीम है, जो टॉपिक है, वो काफी मैटर करता है. सो लाइक माय ML प्रोजेक्ट वाज ऑन ओवेरियन कैंसर सबटाइप क्लासिफिकेशन. एंड अगर तुम्हारे किसी प्रोजेक्ट का कोई मेडिकल यूज है तो फिर वो काफी हेल्पफुल होता है. इवन टू द रिक्रूटर्स इट इम्प्रेसेस देम ग्रेटली. सो आई थिंक डोमेन मैटर नहीं करता. फोकस ऑन द कोर थीम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट.
एंड डेफिनेटली तुमने जैसे बताया लाइक यू हैव ट्राइड अ लॉट ऑफ फील्ड्स, राइट? तो सब ट्राई करो और फिर सही चुनो. गरिमा, लाइक तुम्हारी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी क्या रहती थी? बिकॉज you have a lot to study, like you have DSA, you have academics, you have CP, and you have to be good at projects as well. You need to build them, right? So what was your preparation strategy during your college days to crack such an opportunity?
See, first 2 years mein I tried to explore as much as possible. So I explored Android, I explored web, machine learning. Third year mein I would say that 80% of my concentration was on CP and 20% was on other topics. And for other core subjects, I would say take like a week's time out of the schedule and try to complete those subjects as fast as possible and make your own notes of those subjects ताकि रिवाइज करने में ईजी हो इंटरव्यू से पहले. एंड फॉर प्रोजेक्ट्स आई वुड से अगर कुछ फन प्रोजेक्ट है सो यू कैन डू इट, बट अदरवाइज हमारे करिकुलम में ऐसा होता है कि दे गिव अस माइनर प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स, तो अलग से बनाने का जरूरत नहीं होता है. You just have to focus on that. उससे CGP मेंटेन रहता है and you get good projects as well.
मतलब CGP थोड़ा बहुत जरूरी तो है यार, एटलीस्ट एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्रॉस करने के लिए. एंड लाइक तुमने बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स में भी अप्लाई किया था पहले, तो लाइक स्टार्टअप्स पे अप्लाई करने के लिए कोई रिसोर्स, कोई वेबसाइट जहाँ से तुमने किया हो और तुम्हें इन्फॉर्मेशन जैसे कहाँ से मिली हो उनके बारे में?
See, try to be more active on LinkedIn. So वहाँ पे फॉर्म लिंक्स या फिर कंपनीज के रिक्रूटर्स they themselves keep posting about the links and their openings. Other than that, there are few websites as well like AngelList, so you can apply on those as well. And I am also a part of many WhatsApp groups, so they forward all the resources, all the internal current openings at some startups. So I tried applying to them, and there were 1 or 2 rounds after which I cleared them and to get organizational experience. So ऐसा नहीं है पैसों के लिए करना है या फिर कुछ सिर्फ फॉर द नेम सेक करना है. सो ट्राई टू, उससे मतलब एक्सपीरियंस आ जाता है एंड इट अफेक्ट्स द रिक्रूटर्स एज वेल.
और लर्निंग सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, एंड एक्सपीरियंस तो ऐड ऑन है. सो व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस फॉर द जूनियर्स? क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगी जूनियर्स को, क्योंकि तुमने लाइक रिजेक्शंस भी झेले हैं, तुमने अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी क्रैक करी हैं, सब कुछ ट्राई किया है.
See, first of all, for advice, please don't compare your journey to someone else's journey. On LinkedIn we see many posts, किसी का Goldman Sachs में हो गया, Amazon में हो गया, तो सब लोग अपने सक्सेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, फेलियर्स के बारे में हर कोई इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं है अभी तक. सो हम लोग को लगता है एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड इन देयर लाइफ, बट इफ यू बी मोटिवेटेड you will surely get what you deserve. And secondly, don't neglect your resume. Learn it by heart and like अगर तुमने SQL लिखा है अपने resume में, so you should be ready to write SQL queries in your interview. So ऐसा by heart उसको सारी technologies learn कर लो.
Great, great. I really enjoyed talking to you, Garima. It was a great session, and I hope it will help a lot of students.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kushal, for inviting me.
तो आशा करता हूँ आपको वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा, बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें जानने को मिली होगी। अगर आपको और कोई भी सवाल पूछना है तो मैंने लिंक्डइन आईडी मेंशन कर दिए गरिमा कि लिंक्डइन पे जाके उनसे जो सवाल पूछना है पूछिए। और ऐसे और वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ फॉलो अप टू सैथ प्रोग्रामर चैनल और कमेंट जरूर करो यार। मुझे बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है जब आप लोग कमेंट करते हो, लाइक करते हो, शेयर करते हो वीडियोज़ को। तो प्लीज़ कर दिया करो, मैं सबका रिप्लाई दूंगा। मेरे से कोई सवाल हो तो प्लीज़ वहाँ पूछ लिया करो। और मिलते हैं अगले किसी ऐसे वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।